Are you an international radiographer who has cleared HCPC UK and now you are stuck thinking which UK radiography job should I actually apply for? If that's you, this video is a must-watch video. Today, I will break down the UK radiography career framework clearly, simply, step by step. If you don't understand where you truly fit in the UK radiography system, your job applications and your interviews can go completely wrong. So before you apply for any radiography job in the UK, you have to understand this framework. That's why this video is essential. Many international radiographers fail their UK journey not because they are not skilled, not because they lack experience, but because they apply for the wrong job level in the UK. Today, I will explain which radiography position you should apply for using the UK's official document and what I learned from my course. So, the things I am going to discuss today is not opinion based, not rumors, not social media advice. This is based on official learning and evidence. Hello my dear friends, my name is Partha Jyoti. I am a radiographer working in the UK. And today I want to speak directly to international radiographers who dream of working in the UK. Some of you requested a video on career progression in UK radiography and career options for radiographers with a PhD qualification. So in this video, I will explain how the UK radiography career structure works, which job you should apply for based on your qualification and experience, and a special note for PhD holders. If you understand this video properly, you will know how to apply confidently to the right position in the UK. The things I am going to explain today is taken directly from the Education and Career Framework for Radiography, the document which can literally shape your entire career. So this information is authentic, reliable, trustworthy. Please watch this video till the end. First, let me be very clear. In the UK, your job level is decided by the role you can safely perform in the UK system, not just by your degree or years of overseas experience. This is very different from many other countries. The UK system is based on HCPC regulation, Society of Radiographers Career Framework, NHS Agenda for Change pay bands, national and local policies. So let's break this down practically. This document is called the Education and Career Framework for the Radiography Workforce, published by the Society and College of Radiographers. It is used by NHS employers, universities, professional bodies, and policymakers. This framework document explains career levels, scope of practice, responsibilities, and progression routes for the radiographers. So before applying as a radiographer in the UK, every radiographer should understand this document clearly. Now let's come to the most important part. Look at this diagram. This is called the UK Radiography Career Framework Wheel. This wheel shows the entire radiography career journey in the UK. Career progression here is not random. It is structured, documented, and evidence-based. UK radiography is built on 4 pillars of practice: clinical practice, leadership and management, education, research, and innovation. As you become more senior, you are expected to contribute across all 4 pillars. Not only scanning, not only technical skills. Now let's talk about where international radiographers usually start. Most international radiographers enter the UK system at the practitioner level, not as support workers level. That's why I am not discussing support roles in this video. So basically, an international candidate will start from band 5 level according to this framework. If you have a BSc Radiography or an MSc pre-registration qualification, you enter as a practitioner. That means it's a degree level role. This is a fully qualified role, not a training position. At this level, you work autonomously within a defined scope and focus mainly on clinical practice. Even if you have many years of experience abroad, this is the normal and correct starting point in the UK. The next level is enhanced practice. Enhanced practitioner radiographers have advanced knowledge and skills, often supported by level 7 postgraduate study such as postgraduate certificate or postgraduate diploma. Here, your role becomes more specialized. At this level, responsibility increases, leadership and education start to appear more clearly. This level usually matches Band 6. Some international radiographers can apply directly for Band 6 if they have strong modality-specific experience like MRI, CT, interventional radiography, mammography, etc. If they hold a relevant postgraduate qualification and their skills clearly match the UK job description. So applying for Band 6 position without UK system experience is possible, but only when your skills match exactly what the department needs. That's why before applying, you have to read the job description and person specification very carefully. Okay? The next step is advanced practice. This is a master's level role. At this level, the candidate must have high autonomy, advanced decision-making capability, and have to take major responsibilities. Advanced practitioners may report images, run clinics, lead services, and train others. This usually matches Band 7. So this is not an entry-level role for international radiographers. Most international radiographers progress to Band 7 after gaining UK experience, not directly from overseas. Many of us think that we are currently working in a big hospital and in a senior position role in my country. We can apply directly for the Band 7 position without having the experience of UK healthcare system. They apply, get shortlisted, but get stuck in interview because Band 7 requires the knowledge of UK system, UK legislation, and the knowledge of NHS policies. My honest advice, if you don't have UK experience, skip roles initially. It will save your time and frustration. This is consultant practice. Consultant radiographic practitioner demonstrate expert clinical capabilities that are built on previously developed experience and learning. This is the highest clinical level in radiography. This is a doctorate level role, PhD level 8. Consultant radiographers work independently, lead services, drive research, influence policy, and educate nationally. Usually Band 8A and above. This is a long-term goal, not a starting point. So if someone says he is in Band 8A, you have to understand that this person came across a long road in this profession. UK radiography has a clear, structured salary pathway based on NHS agenda for change. You can see this document, how the progress happened. Band 5 to Band 6, Band 6 to Band 7, Band 7 to Band 8, with incremental increases over time and experience. Now, a very important message for those who hold a PhD obtained outside the UK. A PhD is highly respected in the UK. It supports research, education, leadership, and consultant pathways. However, this framework clearly shows that career level is decided by job role and scope of practice, not qualification alone. So most PhD qualified international radiographers still enter at practitioner or enhanced level, but they usually progress faster. So a PhD is a career accelerator, not a shortcut. Many international radiographers make these mistakes. They look only their degree, they ignore the framework and apply for the wrong level. Result? Rejections, frustration, delays. There is no shame in starting at the correct level. There is only risk in starting at the wrong level. If you want to work in the UK, study this framework. I'll put the link of this document in the description. Be honest about where you fit today. Enter the system correctly, progress step by step. The UK rewards competence, evidence, and patience. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. If you want to know more about the UK and the healthcare system here, please check out my channel. I have uploaded many videos there. If you would like me to make those videos in English, please let me know in the comments. I'll try to do that for you. All the best for your future journey. With this note, Parthajyoti signing out. Take care.